This video is about the last week in my life as a person who wears Sisterlocks. I'll share new things that I've learned, challenges I've faced, discoveries about my Sisterlocks journey, or any new techniques or products that I've tried. We'll also talk a little bit about style, fashion, and recent purchases. Hi and welcome back to Chris the Stylista, where we talk about shopping, style, hair, and more as we continue to build a community around the topics that you desire to talk about the most. So let me know and we'll continue to grow. Lately, as I navigate around town and in my community, I've noticed that a lot more people are commenting on my Sisterlocks, and it's people from diverse backgrounds, which is very interesting. I've gotten both compliments and inquiries like, I like your hair, and are those Sisterlocks or are those micro locks? Also, my friends and family members are noticing more people with Sisterlocks. I've had a family member say to me very recently, now that you've gotten Sisterlocks, I see them everywhere. Now let's talk about hair challenges and discoveries. I continue to have a lot of issues with this side of my locks as far as my edge locks and locks that look like they are about to snap. I assume this was due to wearing updos more frequently as I am getting into styling and watching some videos about how people style their Sisterlocks, and so every now and then I'll do a little something, I'll do a little razzle dazzle. Although I was attributing this week section to maybe the frequency of updos and being in the area of baby hair, I had an epiphany when I was coming home from work that I usually wear my sunglasses when I'm not using them as a headband, and that may be causing more tension on my hair. In addition, I do like wearing the little knotted headband styles, so I believe between my sunglasses that I usually have propped up on my head and wearing headbands, that may have attributed to the weakness of my locks on this side in this little baby hair area. The locks on this side, fine, chilling. But these over here, struggling. So in the future, I'll no longer put my sunglasses in my hair when they're not in use. Instead, I'll put them in their case and in my handbag. I also wonder on occasion when I'm doing my braiding and banding, after I wash my hair and it dries and I unravel the braided sections, am I unintentionally unraveling an actual lock? I don't know, because as I look at them, some of them are a bit uneven and just way thinner than they should be at this stage in my lock journey, and as compared to the other locks that are neighboring locks. In order to maybe delay or stop them from snapping, I have had to two-strand twist a few of them on the side, and I know that's going to impact my grid, but it may have to be that way at least until I go back for my next retie. Still loving my Sisterlocks journey. Consultants, trainees, folks who've had Sisterlocks much longer than I have, much longer than 2.5 years, let me know, is it possible to actually unravel your locks after a wash day? On wash days, I may go back to banding without braiding to see how that goes. I'll keep you posted, of course. Now I would like to discuss things that I've purchased recently. Please note that some of the links that I'm going to leave are affiliate links, particularly Amazon affiliate links. So if you use these links to purchase the product, I'll earn a small commission. But even if you don't, that's cool too. I appreciate you for watching. Now let's keep it moving. The first product I purchased to prevent me from putting too much tension on my hair, satin scrunchies, I don't know if it's satin, that I purchased from Amazon. The brand is Clovisa. I think that's how you say it. I don't know how I feel about wearing scrunchies outside of the house, but I just might. We'll see. I reached out to my Sisterlock consultant to ask her specifically what type of wrap foam or wrap lotion she would recommend for my hair if I wanted to do a twist out or braid out or use lock loops without washing my hair. And this is what she recommended. It is called Nairobi Rapid Foaming Lotion. So I haven't tried it yet, but the next time I try a braid out, twist out, lock loop look, I'm gonna incorporate this product. Now this I have tried and I've shared it in a previous video, the Pravana Intense Therapy Leave-In Conditioner. So far so good. It does make it easier for me to separate my hair. As my locks mature, my locks do tend to marry a little bit more and get really tangled as it gets longer as well. This helps me detangle my locks a little easier. So far so good, I like it. I want to try it a little bit longer before I just give a full-throated recommendation, but so far I'm liking it. Now let's talk about these fashions. My style journey has been a long, twisty, windy one. I can't necessarily label myself a bargain shopper or a minimalist, and certainly not a luxury maximalist at this state of my life and career. I'm somewhere in the middle of all those labels, style perspectives. And just like I think my hair is a more authentic representation of the way I feel inside, I feel like the way that I've been dressing as of late is a more authentic representation of the person that I am. Not necessarily the person that I strive to be or the person that I used to be, but who I am right here and right now, at this age, at this budget, living in this region with this job. So let's talk about what I've acquired as of late. I decided to try Amazon Fashion because some of my friends really rave about it, and I wanted to see what all the hype was about. I have tried Amazon drop collections in the past and will again, but outside of that, I generally don't shop Amazon for clothes. So I did a bit of research and picked my top 2 pieces to share with you. And these pieces met at the intersection of cute, budget-friendly, and stylish for me. Yes, it is uber fast, super fast fashion. I do think it is somewhere in that range of Boohoo, Shein type of pieces, but I wanted to give it a shot. I did. So here we are. Please note that I'm sharing these items only after I've worn, washed, and line dried, because it was important to me not to promote or share these products if they couldn't survive a wash and dry cycle. So here we are. They lasted, no worries. So the first item is this jumpsuit. And I thought it was super cute. And so I will leave a link to the jumpsuit, and I will also share the price. But I've worn this probably 2 or 3 times since I've gotten it, because it's just so cute and light and airy, and I can put a blazer over it and do my Zoom calls or even wear it to work. It is not natural fibers, and they say natural fibers don't breathe, and that's true, but if the cut of the fabric is light enough, it's not long sleeve, you can make it through a hot day and not feel too uncomfortable. So pick one, it's this. And I'll be sure to share a pic of it and also leave the link as I shared earlier. So this is dress 2. Tie is more like this in the pictures. I'm not gonna lie, to get it around the neck, if you have a more generous bosom, you may have a harder time. This tie can go around maybe 1 time loosely for this look. So it would be more comfortable and nice if this was a bit longer. I'll leave a link to this. I'll also insert a pic. It comes in multiple colors, and this was my favorite. Also, I want to show you what it looks like with a blazer. And the bag is COS, and I am super mad at it right now because for some reason the locking mechanism has broken, and I love this bag. I love it. But there is supposed to be, like, I guess a little magnetic something there, and it's done for. So it won't close securely, and devastated. Devastated. I do have a review of this bag. It's on the channel. Check it out if you want to. But I'm mad. But honestly, if it comes out again, I'll buy another one. Damn bag. Make me sick. Just like the first item, this was washed on gentle cycle with a mild detergent and hung to dry before I shared it with you guys, because you know, I'm not, hey, some fast fashion pieces, you put it in the water, psst, dissolve, no more. We ain't doing that, okay? We're gonna get a few good wears out of this before the expiration date, which we hope is far, far away from today. So my experience with Amazon fashion is that there are good pieces at that intersection between cute, affordable, and stylish. On occasion, maybe get a piece or two. Don't make it the bulk of your wardrobe, because you do want sustainable, natural fibers, good quality materials for the bulk of your wardrobe. But you do need a few pieces to enhance your wardrobe, to refine your style a little bit, to make it more modern, so your wardrobe won't look like a time capsule from 1995 or 2000 or whenever you feel like you were looking good. I don't know. But yeah, there's a place, I feel, in people's wardrobe for things that are a bit cheap and cheerful on occasion, that are a little bit trendy. Ooh, that reminds me. Was there an Amazon drop collection today? Oh Lord. Or there's one this week. I'm gonna check into that, because I saw a content creator who mentioned that her drop collection was coming this week. She has some fire pieces. And I've seen some decent drop collections. I'm going to see if I can list the name of some of the creators I've seen who had really nice drop collections. If Karen Big Chick does another drop, pay attention. Those pants, fire, missed them. And I wouldn't mind getting those and altering, because I'm a shorty. If there are other collections or names that I remember, I'll be sure to share them with you. Of course, the collections are gone, but who's to say whether or not Amazon will do future collections with them? We shall see. Please let me know in the comments, are there any drop collections that really caught your attention, that you really like the styles? I'd love to know. If you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Now, I have dogged my high-end sandals so bad. They're not supposed to be this color. No, what? Downpours, gas, you name it. I've clearly gotten my cost per wear out of these sandals. I've had them resold, and I'll have them resold again, and one more time. I don't care if they look beat down, but they do need to rest. At the beginning of the summer, I planned on getting another pair, either in that same color or in black. But my bank account and the recession said unto me, hey, Target has sandals. Do you like Tory Burch or Coach? They make shoes. Yeah, read the room, kid. Check the account, sis. Not now. Not saying not ever, but not now. Okay. So in order to get more summer sandals, to give my wardrobe more options, I decided to look at the contemporary and the accessible price points. And let me share what I found. First up, Target, and second up, and maybe third, these Shade and Shore Kendra slides. These were out of stock in my size for quite some time, but they popped back up on sale. I think they were $14. This is a size 8. I'm generally an 8.5. They didn't have an 8.5. They had an 8 or a 9. I decided to try them, and they just fit. My toes aren't all up here, and my heels aren't all back here. It's a fit, but if the 9 pops back up, I might try that too before I wear these. But I think they are so cute. and they'll last me for the remainder of the season, and I'm sure they'll give my wardrobe quite a bit of versatility at a fraction of the price of the sandals I showed you. I'll link these, and hopefully if they're not in your size, they'll pop back up. Here are another pair of Target sandals that I purchased at the beginning of the season. They are the Nicolette sandals with memory foam for ultimate comfort. I love these, but they are a very casual look, and they don't go as well with a lot of my maxi skirts and dresses as I would like them to. They do pair well with some of my jean looks, but not as great with the dresses and the maxi skirts. Still very cute, and I have to say I have them in this color and I have them in the natural color, and this pair has held up much better than the natural color. I do really enjoy this style, so the Target Nicolette sandal, highly recommend. And here they are in the natural color, a little bit more beat up, a little dusty. Still, the look is superb, and these sold out really super quick. They also came in gray and pink. I think that's all the colors: black, natural, gray, pink. If I could find this shoe in the future in a higher quality, I know it's a dupe. I think maybe it's a Bottega dupe. One day when the bank account floweth, I might try this in a contemporary or luxury brand. The A New Day Viv sandal. They came in multiple colors. I think this is the most sleek and refined style of the colors available. I had to wait for it to pop back up, but here they are. This is an 8.5, so I do have a 9 en route to me right now, and we'll see. I'm very conscious of not wanting to have that over the shoe look. Not that they do that, but I just want the fit to be as right as it can be. So I'm not gonna wear these yet. I'm gonna wait for the 9s and then choose between the two pair. I wasn't expecting to find sandals that I liked from Tory Burch. I'm gonna keep watching what Tori's doing because she's doing it. But look at these. Love them. And I sent a pic to one of my close friends who I talk to about fashion all the time. And when I asked her, did she like them? She said, they look like you. Girl, that is not a compliment, but okay, you're right. You're right though. But I know that ain't a compliment. I think these are super cute. They are the Eleanor Raffia slide. They come with one dust bag. So this is my first purchase from Tory Burch, but as I mentioned, I'll be watching the brand because it seems like their style is shifting ever so slightly and suits my taste a little bit more than perhaps collections in the recent past. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more about my Sisterlocks, I do have Sisterlock content to share with you. I'd say start with my video about my 2.5-year lock journey. That's a good video. And also, if you'd like to know more about my busted ass handbag, I do have a video about that as well. And I would be delighted if you'll watch my content on hair and on handbags and on fashion and style. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.